A futuristic car with an Italian name, a German design, and a French build. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 2016 Bugatti Chiron. The model is a 1/18 scale, manufactured by Burago. The part number is 18-11040 and the manufacturing date is 2018. It says Maisto International on the box because Maisto acquired Burago in 2005. Okay, let's dig in. So this one was a birthday gift from my sister, who has no interest in diecast whatsoever, but I assume she still likes me. The average price of this item is around $55 US. I'm not a fan of exotic and hypercars, but you cannot deny their appeal. This one, the Chiron, is a technology marvel. Here are some pictures of the actual Chiron. The trunk lid is a bit difficult to open and close. The car is light on weight, and it doesn't feel premium, especially when compared to other comparable brands. The inside of the model seems detailed well enough, but the material looks and feels a bit cheap. The Bugatti Chiron is powered by an 8-liter, 16-cylinder engine, which is equipped with 4 turbochargers, producing 1500 horsepower at 6700 RPM. The rear wing works fine, but I feel like I almost broke it. Somehow, the more I look at this car, the more I hear 8-bit music in my head. There are some nice things about this diecast model for sure, but there are also clear issues. The flat paint job, the plasticky interior, and the ridiculous wheels. There are some static parts like the windshield wipers here. I do like the two-tone paint, but it only looks nice from a distance. This is not exactly a great diecast replica, but it's certainly not the worst I've seen. And that's that.